Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the case, remove the headphones, and plug the included USB-C cable for the first charge. This prepares firmware updates and pairing. Charge for at least 3 hours to reach a full battery before initial use and ensure optimal performance. A quick 3-minute charge gives several hours of playback for emergency use, so remember the quick charge habit when you're short on time. While charging, download the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone to complete firmware checks and customize settings as you continue setup and pairing. Put the headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the power button until the indicator flashes, then select WH1000 XM5 from your device's Bluetooth list to pair. They use Bluetooth 5.2 and support multi-point to connect to 2 devices simultaneously, which lets you accept calls on your phone while streaming from your laptop. You can also use the 3.5 audio cable for wired listening when desired, and the cable route allows continuous audio if battery runs low. Confirm codec settings like LDAC in the app for use touch gestures on the right ear cup to play, pause, skip tracks, and answer calls. Swipe forward to skip and swipe back to return. Toggle active noise canceling or ambient sound modes in the app, or with the dedicated button to prioritize silence or situational awareness. Enable adaptive sound control and set speak to chat in the app for hands-free behavior adjustments when you speak. You can also adjust equalizer, LDAC quality, and physical button mappings. Remember to update firmware periodically in the app to maintain stability and new features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.